I don't know, somewhere. Yes, I'm wearing a Bunnings hat. We got a lawnmower. I was just cutting the front. Marty. Should have made the carb up. Like there. Marty off. So, I got the electric lawnmower. Came in a bundle with the whippersnapper. This one. 300 from Bunnings. Hence why I'm wearing the hat. But yeah, look at I haven't vlogged in a while. So I'll try my best to vlog every single day. God is good all the time. We upgraded. We got some new stuff for our home gym. I forgot some more weights. Got the bar. But yeah, got some tackling pads for next year, just to work out with the boys here. The house is pretty big. If you actually look at it, this is the backyard. But yeah, we swapped the batteries. So the lawnmower comes with these default batteries, small ones. Kind of finna. Went to Bunnings to buy bigger ones. As soon as I turn on the lawnmower, it felt like an actual lawnmower, and you can hear the power that comes from the lawnmower too. But yeah. Samuel.
I was going to get a slipper. I don't want to eat in my back foot.
We're just gonna go interview their aunties. This is Offa. You say hello to the camera. Hey. Rồi có gì bé mua gì ấy? Mata lele bé.
It's like, they're just gonna go interview the aunties. I was like, what? Yeah.
Let's see
Right, Marianne, careful, you can't see.
There's no ice cream.
No, let's get chocolate and the nuts. That's okay.
That's so buzzy. كيف غلانين بليان Nigga say thank you Alpha. You want it? Hadi. Just heading inside the church because we live like an hour away from church. Sometimes we come late. properly, but well, food works. Just showing the boys that food works.
And 20 pounds.
Yeah?
What it is.
Yeah.
That in Albania.
Got our big bags in the back here. That's the one.
These crooks.
Yeah, Uncle.
Currently we are in Logan Central. To our right we got Logan Plaza and then Taco Bell. Surprised people still go there. So we're going off to Sears, get food, then go Big Gun, get some meat.
One. What's up, no? Just gonna head off to Big Gun. I thought there was a left.
We got Nana Saman. He said they'll bring the window from Yeah, she said this.
Huh?
If the boys do see the elevator, they come up there.
They're like fucking the whole trolley up.
That's what I was thinking. I was like, freak, we probably should have waited.
It's a baby, it's a baby.